Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, you will download Xampp. You can download the Xampp by CNET, or you can also download from source file. Yes, from this link. You can download from CNET. You will download. After the downloading, you will install it. After installing, you will get the shortcut at the desktop. After installing, you will double click it and start the Apache and MySQL. In this way, know your Xampp is working well. You can test it like this: localhost PHP. Now you will see that that it is the database part. Now Xampp database part is working well. You can also see here host. It also shows that your Xampp is working. It means your Xampp has installed properly. Now next step is to run the code. How will you run the code? For this purpose, first of all, you will see that if your Xampp is installed in C, then you will see that there is Xampp folder. You will open it. There is also htdocs folder. Okay, in this htdocs folder, you will place your source code. For example, your source code is named UMS, and then you will see that this source code is present in htdocs. Good. Now you can run it. Localhost / and UMS. Now run it. Okay. Now it is working. Now next step is you should import the database. For this purpose, you will open the localhost PHP myadmin. It is the database part. You will click on the databases. Okay. Now you will open your source code folder like this. You will open your own source code. For example, it is UMS. Now I open it. There is a folder like DB. You will open it. You know it is your database. Now we have to import these database tables in PHP myadmin. For this purpose, first of all, you will create the DB. What is the name of DB? Name of DB is UMS. But you should create according to your own project. You will open DB folder and you should create the database according to your project DB name. I open it. I create UMS. I will click on UMS create. It has already created. That is why it is creating the error. It will be created. After it, you will click on UMS. That is UMS. Okay. As you will click UMS, after it's creating, on left side you will click on UMS. Then it will open. It will look like this. After it, you will click on import button. You will choose the file. You will go see Xampp, but you should see that where is your Xampp installed. If your Xampp is installed at D, then you will open D. My Xampp installed in C, and there is Xampp folder. I will open it. There is a htdocs folder. Open it. And what is the name of your code? Your name is, for example, UMS. Then you should open it and open DB and then select it. Double click. Now check it. There is a DB file UMS SQL. Now click on the go button. I cannot click because my DB has already imported. Now you should click on the go button. As you will click the go button, then all the tables will be imported in your UMS table, UMS DB. And after this clicking, you will see your UMS database like this. These are all the tables that have imported. Okay, now your project can easily work. If you do not import DB, then your project will not work properly. Now you can log in, you can register, and all the values will be saved in database. Now, in this video, you have checked that how can you install the Xampp server, how you can download Xampp server, how can you install the Xampp server, and how you can run your code. You should unzip your code and place this code in this Xampp. Open Xampp folder. After it, open htdocs folder and unzip. Your unzipped folder should be placed in this htdocs. And now you can run your code like this. For example, your code is restaurant, then you should write /restaurant. Your code is meeting, then you should write meeting, and then your code will run. But before it, you should import DB. Okay, thank